Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system settings, keyboard and input method, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available languages of keyboard. So let's pick for example Greek. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. I don't know. And as you can see, here I have my Greek layout on my keyboard. Unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.